Ever had your car break down out of nowhere? Here's the scary truth: over 60% of drivers ignore early warning signs that their engine is about to fail. And when it finally goes, boom, you're stranded on the side of the road facing a $3,000 repair bill. But not you. Not today. I'm going to show you 5 silent engine warnings most people miss, but catching even one of these early could save you thousands of dollars and keep your car on the road longer. Let's pop the hood and get into it. 1. Cylinder misfire. Feel your car jerk or shake while driving? That's not just a rough ride, it could be a cylinder misfire. One of the most dangerous warning signs your engine sends. Inside your engine, fuel and air need to ignite at just the right moment. If even one cylinder misfires, you'll lose power, waste fuel, and risk damaging expensive parts like the catalytic converter. Look for codes like P0301 or P0302 on a scanner. The cause? Sometimes it's just a spark plug, but it could also be low compression, a leaky head gasket, or a clogged injector. Think of your engine like a drummer in a rock band. If one arm goes off beat, the whole song falls apart. So if your ride feels off or your check engine lights flashing, get that misfire diagnosed now, before a $50 fix turns into a $2,000 disaster. 2. Catalytic converter trouble. Smell something like rotten eggs when driving? That's not your lunch, it could be a failing catalytic converter. A code like P0420 means your converter isn't breaking down harmful gases, leading to poor mileage, slow acceleration, and possible engine overheating. But here's the twist: the converter may not be the real problem. A bad oxygen sensor, a rich fuel mix, or even an exhaust leak can cause the same code. Replacing the converter without fixing the cause, that's lighting $1,000 on fire. Fix the root problem early and keep your emissions and your budget under control. 3. Transmission control system. When your car hesitates, shifts hard, or refuses to move, stop right there. You might have a transmission control issue. Code P0700 flags problems in the transmission control module (TCM), the brain that manages your gear shifts. A glitch here can cause total drive failure. Now, don't panic. Sometimes it's low or dirty transmission fluid or a bad shift solenoid. Simple fixes. But wait too long. You're looking at a full transmission rebuild. That's a $3,500 mistake. So, when the shifting feels off, check your fluid and don't delay a proper scan. 4. Coolant temp sensor circuit. If your temp gauge spikes without warning or your engine overheats, the issue might be electrical, not mechanical. Code P0118 points to a faulty coolant temperature sensor or wiring issue. That means your engine's brain is getting bad info and can't regulate heat properly. Left alone, you're risking warped cylinder heads, blown gaskets, and engine failure. Fix it fast. Check the coolant level, the sensor wiring, and the thermostat to keep your engine cool and calm. 5. Stuck open thermostat. No, here's one most people overlook. If your car takes forever to warm up, runs sluggish, or your gas mileage tanks in cold weather, your thermostat might be stuck open. Code P0128. This means the engine never reaches optimal temp, and it burns more fuel trying to compensate. Over time, you'll also see carbon buildup and long-term engine wear. The good news? Thermostats are cheap and easy to replace. Catch this early and save your fuel and your engine's lifespan. Let's be real, car repairs are expensive, stressful, and usually happen at the worst time. But staying ahead of these 6 warning signs, that's how you beat the system. Every check engine light, every weird smell or sound, that's your car talking to you. Are you listening? If you found this helpful and you're serious about saving money and staying in control of your car's health, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Auto Repair, your trusted pit crew on the road to financial freedom.